got in here was because we're going to see whether or not these teeter-totters by Blibbit are safe.
Okay.
So we'll show you.
By Blibbit.
Oh, but first, notice how when you jump in a pool, you're wet, and when you come out, you're wet.
Yeah.
And next, we're going to show you how not to throw a football. You want me to go first? Don't worry, this is two-person. Now I just got to get over to her.
And then we just go by and try to get your dick. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Come on.
Don't watch my butt. I'm trying.
Oh no!
Pull her to the
Okay, don't forget, you guys tell us if you think it's safe or not. Ready?
Paige, go over that way.
Okay, sometimes it fell off like I did this, where I flew on the top, and sometimes you'll be good at it like this.
Alright, and that's all for today. This is Ashley.
And this is Megan.
And here's some teeter-totters.